Hello, this is Andrew Smith here, bringing you another short message on day 18 of the MLM Lead System Pro 90-day challenge. As I explained yesterday, the reason for my slightly shorter messages over the next few days is because I'm going to a new placement school where I'm going to be teaching maths, so my time is a lot more constrained over the next few days, shall we say. But the thing that I wanted to discuss with you today, or give you some ideas about today, is how to have a welcome message hosted on your blog. And there's a number of different ways of doing this, and some of the more common ways of doing this are by having static pages. You see along the top here, you have these are your static pages going along the top of the page. Now it's easy to have one of those as your home page, if you like, or your landing page for your blog, but it's actually quite difficult to set a blog post to be the first thing that someone would see when they would visit, and that's really what I was hoping to achieve. I didn't want to set up a separate tab for a welcome message. I wanted it to be one of the blog posts that would appear at the top of my blog each time a visitor came to my site. So what I've done is I've recorded a short welcome video here, which just introduces myself and lets people know a little bit about me, but also directs people around my site. So I explain on there where my blog posts can be found under the video, what sort of things I'm blogging about, what sort of information I'm providing. I also explain what each of the tabs along the top are. I mean, they're fairly self-explanatory, but it's just personable to have that welcome message, and I've already seen some improved results by having it. And I then go on to explain about how people can network with me on other sites. Now, the way that you do that, basically, this message will appear whenever someone clicks on the home tab of my page, the home tab of my blog, or they type in my URL, my msummittraining.com URL. This will be what they see. If they visit individual posts, so say for example, someone clicked on one of the individual posts, then the welcome message won't appear there. It only appears on the home page, and that's exactly what I was trying to achieve, and that's why it has to be done with blog posts. There we go, it took its time there. And that's why it has to be done with a post rather than setting it as a page. Now, the way that you do that, if you go into your Wordpress, your administration area, and you go to edit posts, let's assume that you've already created that welcome message, and what you actually want to do is just set that as what we would call the primary post, or what they call it in WordPress is a sticky post. So you would go to here. If you then go to quick edit for the post, on the right hand side, if you look here, you've got allow comments, you've got allow pings, and then directly underneath that here you've got make this post sticky. Okay, so if I wanted to make this post sticky, I would just click on that there, and by making it sticky, it means it's the one that's going to be featured at the top of the home page. Okay, so that's something, again, as I said, I've had some improvements in results since putting that on there, so it's definitely something I'd recommend. So if that's something you want to do, give that a try today, and I will be back tomorrow with another short message. Thanks for listening.